How to make caldo de pollo or Mexican style chicken soup. You're gonna need half a chicken in pieces. I'm gonna do it in the Instapot. This reduces cooking time from 3 to 1. And we're gonna add hot water. We're gonna add half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and some oregano, and some laurel leaves, some salt. Now we're gonna cover it. We're gonna do pressure cook 30 minutes at low pressure. Let's check and see if we're gonna remove the onion and the impurities like this. We're gonna add the cilantro. We're gonna cover it and let it cook, just covering it. I like to cook the vegetables separately. So here I have broccoli and chayote squash in about a cup of water. And then 2 corn ears, a celery stem chopped, and chopped Italian squash, and I have 2 chopped potatoes. This is optional. It's some chopped fennel leaves and 3 chopped carrots. We're gonna cover it so they cook faster. Let's check. Now the vegetables are ready. We're gonna turn it off and let them cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna try them with the soup. Now we're gonna try caldo de pollo or Mexican style chicken soup. And I'm gonna be trying it with this salsa. It has cocoa and peanuts in it. I'm gonna upload the recipe soon.